All-day-one is the revolution in the world of production mechanics, an application which supports operators with the loading and unloading of parts on CNC machining centers using an augmented reality viewer, a precise and intuitive high-tech instrument. It reads the QR code on the clamping fixture, it recognizes the part, overlays the information, and guides the operator step by step through the performance of the perfect clamping sequence. With just the right amount of force, All-day-one reduces human error and the need for paper documentation. Immediate, constant, infallible. A device that becomes every operator's perfect ally, setting new standards of safety and precision. Request more information